you say? If you
no spray. Hi guys, so I am back. Anyways, hi guys, I'm back. I wanted to come today and start off July juggling because I want to try and upload a video every day for the month of July. So I'm here about to make a cocktail. I had these mini cocktail mix. This one is the mojito, and I have here some mint, some ice, and I put a little bit of simple syrup in there, and I crush them together to release the mint oil in there. So, and I have that in there, and I'm also gonna add some vodka. I don't have a lot of vodka, but it will do. Some vodka, and I have some rum, some Ray and Nephew rum. So I'm gonna mix those two with this and see how it tastes. Let's open this thing. Okay. This has no alcohol in it, so tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna add it in here. And give it a stir with the oil. Then we're gonna take some rum. I'm gonna get one shot. Ooh. Well, there goes that. Ooh. And we're gonna, should I add the vodka? I don't know. I don't know if I want to add the vodka. Oh, dear, really strong. Yes, whatever. We're not going anywhere today, so I'm sitting in the house. So let's add the vodka. All of the vodka. That's gonna be strong. I will be back. I will be adding some ice to my glass, and I'll be back. Okay, so we are back with my ice in my glass, and we're gonna take some. Give this one more stir. Let's make sure it's really strong. Mix it all together. And let's some mint for decoration. And this is what it looks like. And our straw. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, taste. Wow, this tastes really good. This is really good. The rum give it a very distinct flavor. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is really good. Oh my gosh, I'll be drunk. I'll be drunk. Ooh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish cooking. I'm making my version of buffalo cauliflower and some salmon. I might make some salad. I'm not too sure as yet, so stay tuned for that. I'll be back.